Hi, Sunny. Good evening. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I
Hello,
just,
teacher.
yes, I had to restart my laptop and it had some updates. That's why it took some time. Anyway, how are you feeling right now, Sunny?
I'm feeling tired.
Oh, what makes you feel tired? What did you do that makes you feel tired?
Uh, because I did go to school to study. In the
So,
evening, I have to study your class. Hmm.
yeah, so it's like that's actually your life, Sunny. You know what, Sunny? You're very privileged that your parents can afford to enroll you in an extra class for your own good. Yes, not all children have the privileges to have that kind of life. But you know what? Okay, if you are tired, you can actually have some rest. Rest your brain. I do believe that you have some break in betweens before joining my class, right?
Nah, I just,
Oh, really?
I, I just finished my dinner.
Okay, so your break time was your dinner. Oh, same. I actually just finished my dinner too while my laptop was on, while having some updates. Okay, I was also eating dinner at the same time while waiting.
Here,
Mm-hmm.
when I was eating, I was very hungry. When I finished, I feel hungry too. Because if I don't eat in my mouth, I feel hungry. Now I am
Yeah.
hungry.
Wow, then you can eat. Do you still have food?
Yeah, but I, I need to study now because if I go out, my mom will get mad.
Yes. Oh, by the way, where is your mom? Is she around you or is she in a different room?
Oh, finally, she is in the kitchen or in the dining room.
Ah, all right. So she was looking at you earlier, right?
Yeah, but now I was in my bedroom.
Oh, all right. Okay, your mom would just want to make sure that you really study. Okay, so anyway, what did you have for dinner, Sunny?
I have meat, rice, bean, and chicken.
Oh, that's plenty of food. Yeah, like, do you
That's
eat
why I feel
more?
hungry.
Really? You shouldn't feel hungry. You should be full, just like me. I only had few food, like a piece of chicken, some vegetables, and rice. That's it. And I feel very full. I feel so bloated right now. My
Oh,
stomach is a little big.
now I feel very, very hungry.
Hungry? Then you should eat.
Yeah,
What do you want to eat?
I just mean I just eat chicken, rice, bean, and uh some fruits
Some
and
fruits. Okay.
and and a cup of water. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. But you know what? What's that? The best choice to eat right now at this time is fruits, not rice, because you are about to go to bed
Uh,
after this class, right? So just eat fruit so that it's not gonna be heavy in your for your stomach. All right. So anyway,
uh,
Sunny, if you remember last night, we are already here in Unit 15, right? And I
mm,
asked you a question, which is, tell me about your favorite book. Okay. So now let's continue with Unit 15, which is still part 1, asking and answering questions. Okay, so Sunny, I want you to tell me what an airport is.
airport is a place that where we have a trip to another country or it's too far that we have to use mm, by airplane in the airport. Oh,
That's right. Very good. Okay. Have you ever gone to the airport?
yes, it's just my first time.
Wow, where did you go?
I go to the airport now.
I mean, where did you go when you went to the airport?
I go in the airport and I see many people are waiting for the trip, and I was very excited because it's my first time. And I check my body if it's too heavy or not. And my dad said it's normally. And I go in. I cannot remember. It's last last some last summer.
All right. So do you still remember where did you go when you went to the airport? Did you go to Singapore? Did you go to China? Did you go to Japan? Where did you go? Did you go to Hanoi? Did you go to Da Nang?
I go to Da Nang. Okay.
Oh, so you went to Da Nang. Wow. All right. Actually, an airport is not specifically only when you go to a different country. Even if you travel locally, when we say locally, you just travel within your country, which is Vietnam. So there are many
Yeah.
different
And
cities in Vietnam that we travel
and
by plane too.
oh, I
Yeah.
I have an answer. Um um I can what's that? What is my English teacher say first when I was studying English? Uh, do you know this? This I don't know how to say, but I know.
You can write it if you don't know how to say it.
Okay. TOEFL. Yes.
TOEFL
Not really.
primary?
I don't know that
Ah, do you want
contest.
to study this kind of book?
No, I don't know, but it's just my work for my mom. But my English teacher asked me,
What?
and
What did she ask you?
and she asked me that, do you want to study this one? Because I don't know.
Okay, so TOEFL,
Do you know this
what's that? What's
concept?
Geo?
Uh,
No, I'm not familiar with Geo.
Not GEO. Yeah.
Geo? What is G? What does Geo mean?
Huh. You don't know that contest? Can you search in Google's?
Let me see, huh? Hold on. Oh, by the
Okay,
way,
I will
like
read you.
which English teacher are you referring the English teacher from school or your other English teacher?
My English, my school English teacher. Okay.
Ah, all right. Because I am familiar with TOEFL primary. However, with GEO, I'm not sure with that with what does it mean. GEO English?
Yes.
Junior English Olympiad.
Yes.
Actually, an international competition for students to test English skills or potentially the Journal of Educators Online, a scholarly journal about tech in education. So it's like what do we call that one? A competition to test your
Yeah.
English skills. Yes. So yes, if you want to join GEO, then yes, TOEFL
Oh.
primary is actually a good idea for you to study on
Oh.
because TOEFL
I
primary
just,
has
I
different
just have an
parts.
answer. Uh, I in I I was in silver because I study GEO and I finished that. I what's that? Shiva? What
What's
that
Shiva?
one mean? Top top what? Top
Oh, you
Shiva,
mean,
right?
what is that? Can you write it for me, please?
Just wait me a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I'm finished writing.
Top silver. Oh, so that's probably the ranks like that.
Hmm.
Don't aim for a top silver. You should aim for gold medal. Yes, because silver, oh, actually, here it is. We have first, second, third. Usually, the first one, which is the champion, will get the gold medal like that. Second will get the silver medal. Then the last winner will get the bronze medal. Okay, do not aim for top silver. You aim for the gold medal. Yes,
I'm not
like
sure
that. Not true? Why?
because my English teacher just said something I cannot know that she is saying that yeah what that one I cannot remember.
Yeah. Oh, actually, you ask her, like, teacher, what is our goal? If I join GEO, then what do you expect me to aim? Or what do you want me to aim like that? So if she says aim for top silver, then yes, she's probably aiming for something that you are capable to reach off like that.
Oh,
Okay, and she's okay with having top silver. Then you ask her, okay, so teacher, so how many places are there? So if she says there will be five winners, so that means there will be top five students. Okay, then yeah, so if you are the winner, then what will you get? If she say gold, then yeah, aim for gold, not just silver. Yeah, so you
I
clarify
just
when your
forgot
teacher
to
talks to
ask
you, you
my
mm-hmm.
I just forgot to ask my English teacher said can I is what's that one? Is have many not not only gold. Uh, she says it's not only gold, but also many. It's not only gold.
Ah, all right. So let me try to search Sunny. Okay, but next time, if your English teacher tells you about something and you have some question, or if there are some things that are not, are if there are some things that you wanna ask, feel free to ask her questions. Yes, then that way your teacher will think that, oh, Sunny is very interested. Okay, then I will train Sunny like that. Then you will start training with your English teacher, because you know what? Your English teacher can also help you to prepare for the upcoming competition, Sunny.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, by the way, when is the GEO competition? Is that GEO competition the same with the one that you said in Sydney, Australia?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, so that is the competition's name, right?
Yeah.
Wow, when is that one, Sunny?
When is that one? Uh,
When is the
uh,
PEO competition?
it's just, mm,
Is that next month? Next year? When?
oh, it's just last Sunday.
Last Sunday, really?
Yes, it's last Sunday.
Also, the event is finished, right? If this happened last Sunday, then it's done,
Yeah,
right?
and
So how
I
was the
was,
competition?
oh, it's very hard for me because I have a question about that, but I choose, like this. Uh, it's have a question. I don't know what is like a club. Um,
What was their questions to you?
the they said the clock is 11 o'clock. It's past to what? Not. I don't remember the question eventually. But it's past to what? Past two. What time is it? I choose
Actually, we learned
check.
about that. I just taught you about that one last month. If you remember, I draw a clock on the screen and I ask you,
No,
look, Sunny, like that.
no. It's last Sunday, right? But it's it's don't it's don't
Mm-hmm.
like mm, not last Sunday. It's just past 2 week.
2 weeks ago, right?
Yeah, not
All
last
right.
Sunday.
Like, did you get some prize from that competition? What did you get at the end of the competition?
Home. No, no, no. But in the end, I don't know. I don't know the price. But today, I know I was in gold, and I was gold medal. But I don't know what is the prize.
Oh, you won a gold medal?
No, I have a gold medal though. Uh, uh and I cannot remember how
Who
the
gave you the
teacher
gold
said.
medal?
Uh, I don't know, but it has to be a long time to have a gold medal.
I'm sorry, I'm so confused, Sunny. What do you mean?
Uh, I mean, competition. Uh,
Yeah?
I cannot talk about that one because, hmm,
It's all right. Just forget about it. Okay. But here's my advice for you. If your teacher give you some opportunities to improve your English skills, grab it. Yes. Whenever that the teacher offers you something, that means she saw a potential in you. Then she wants to help you. Yeah, if she says, "Do you
no,
want to what?"
no, it's just a competition. Um, if it's TOEFL primary, she she thinks I want to, but I I have to ask my mom.
Oh,
I love
yes, that's the thing.
to study TOEFL primary, but I think my mom don't have any time to do that.
All right. I understand. Yes. Well, that's good because you know and you respect your mom because you always want to consult from her. And yes, I'm sorry because I forgot about that one. But yeah, always ask your mom whenever that you make a decision because you are still under her, under her guidance. Okay, so anyway, let's go back to the airport, Sunny. How did you feel when you were at the airport?
Hmm, I felt happy that. Can you say it again? I cannot hear you.
So you felt happy,
Yes,
right? Okay, so of course we feel happy whenever that we are at the airport because we're looking forward for our travel or for our what do we call it one? For our final destination. Okay, so whenever that you travel, Sunny, what are the things that you have to prepare?
first I have prepared my suitcase. Yeah,
Yeah,
I prepared my suitcase and my clothes too, and then I wear my shoes and I wait for the bus to arrive.
that's right. Don't forget all those things. Even your toothbrush. What else? Your the toiletries can actually be found in the hotel. Okay, so where do you
Yeah,
usually stay when you travel, Sunny? Do you stay to some of your relatives' houses or do you stay in a hotel?
I stay in the hotel.
Yes, nice. Okay, so what's your favorite part of the hotel?
It's the it's my favorite part is the bedroom. You know what? In the bedroom, um, there is a comfy bed and it's white. There are two beds. One bed is for my little sister and me, and one is for my parents. And in the bathroom, it's it's very clean. It has two brushes and two toothbrushes. And you know what? That is has uh, a shower. It's very clean, and the floor is it's not wet. It's dry, and the house is tidy, but many many things is expensive. That
That's right. Actually, there are many kinds of hotel. And hotels that are expensive have five-star review. Okay, so we have five-star hotel or a hotel that is not really expensive. That means they are budget friendly. Almost everyone, like everyone can afford it. But for those hotels that are expensive, we call them luxury hotel. Like only rich people can afford it. And yes, you are right. Whenever we stay in a hotel, it makes our stay very comfortable. Yes, the bathroom is nice. Our bedroom is always clean. It's very tidy whenever that we enter out to our room. It smells so good. And the view through the window is breathtaking. Like that. Okay. And you don't have to cook when you stay in the hotel. You just go to their restaurant or to the cafe. Then you can have your you can have they have a buffet there where you can choose whatever you want to eat like that. Okay, yes, but of course we pay something at the hotel before we can stay or before we enjoy those things. Yes, and it's not practical to stay in a hotel every day. Yes, and you know what, Sunny? It feels nice to stay in the hotel, but if you stay there for 4 months, 5 months, you're gonna miss your home. Because I believe that there's no place like home. Wherever you go, you would always look for your home. Like home
what?
cooked meals. What else?
I just want to have a happy day. I just want to go to the restaurant, to the hotel, and many to the supermarket,
Yes.
to the ice cream shop, to the every more. Yeah,
Yeah. So, yes, that's very ideal if you are traveling. Okay. So, anyway, why do you think, Sunny, that people, like some people, prefer to travel by plane than traveling by other transportation?
because all the transportation is not uh, um because going where you plan is is a little expensive, but when we are moving by plane, it's incredible exciting because the plane is flying off and we can look in the sky. But if other transportations like cars, cars and bus, uh, it can take me an hour and our bodies will feel tired. But on the plane, it's incredible good and it don't have like cars and we can look in the sky because we are flying up in the sky.
That's right. And the plane moves so fast. This is the
Oh,
fastest.
oh, I love plane.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah,
But of course, plane is also the most expensive way of traveling or way of transporting. Yes.
yeah.
But this is the fastest. It's very convenient. Okay. So now, Sunny, I want you to look at the picture in here. By the way, Amy is already here. Hi, Amy. Oh, that's her
Oh,
dad.
it's not iPhone.
Anyhow,
He,
Hi, Amy.
group
it's not iPhone.
Yes. Hello,
He,
Amy.
he. Yeah,
Hi,
ano to
Amy. Can you
pala?
hear me?
he's her dad.
Yes,
Oh, it's
actually,
correct.
Amy, I want you to meet Sunny. Sunny, that's Amy.
No,
Do
no,
you know each
no,
other?
no, no, no. Mm,
Wow, they're both shy. Why are you shy? Amy and Sunny, I want you to show your faces.
no, you,
Oh,
you have to show your faces. Where's your friend? He.
actually, Amy is shy now, Sunny, but she's been talking a lot about you. Okay, yeah, but do you know Amy, Sunny?
Yeah.
Wow, where did you meet?
Hmm. Uh, uh, uh.
Did you meet at school?
No.
No?
Mm,
Did you play with her?
yes.
Yeah. Where?
What's that? I don't know
You
the
forgot
name.
already?
Forgot. Forgot.
Oh, because actually Amy told me that you met once at school and you played together, but it was a very long time ago. So she feels shy to tell you about it because you won't probably recognize her. That's why. But
What's
do
that?
you recognize Amy?
Ah, yeah.
Yes, Amy is not talking anymore. Anyway, Sunny, it oh, hello Amy, are you there?
Yes.
Actually, Sunny can still remember you. Do you remember Sunny?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you keep on telling me, yes, I know Sunny. Yes, and your dad and her dads are her dad and your dad are friends. Is that true, Amy?
Oh, what?
No, she's shy. She's actually shy, Sunny. But you know what? If it's only me and Amy, she's not shy at all. Okay, so anyway, Sunny, it's already time. And I'm going to have class with Amy. So I want you to say goodbye to Sunny, Amy. Sunny, I'll see you next
Goodbye.
week. Bye,
Goodbye,
Sunny.
Amy.
All right. Well, Amy, I want you to join again because we're going to have a class. Okay, join again. See you in a bit.